The sound of water so sweet, so calm, like the edge of the horizon I can catch with my palm. Wind goes through my hair, next thing I know, a foot appears. I think I would love to live by the sea, forget my past and finally be free. So many memories we create daily. I hope I marry some fine ass lady. We all go through struggles, some people like snuggles. The continuum of lies and ocean vast skies. What a world, what a surprise. So many wonders hidden by the eye. As my lyrics flow like the tide, I wish I can fly like a flying fish. Better yet, I'd rather be an octopus lurking in the abyss. This is no Call of Duty, I don't need some assist. The seagulls are annoying as hell. I think I'm starting to feel well. I just love the water smell. Something to fall asleep to. This is not something you make a peep to. The sunrise is so beautiful, the waves are so cheerful. I can't help to let all my feelings pour out. Someone come, please rip my guts out. I can't take it anymore. I'd rather fly away and soar. Better yet, cry until I can't no more. I punch too hard, now my life is a broken door. Who wants me to go on tour? Canada is so cooler, but let's stay together, I won't lie. I feel very fly as the lyrics flow right by. I'm so fucked up, I'm high as I look up at the sky. Maybe someday I will die.